So I want to take a moment to go ahead and teach a little lesson here. It's going to be one of those things where it's say or do as I say and not as I do. To those of you that are going to tell me like, oh, that's obvious, man. You're a technician. You should know better. You know what? Suck a fart out my ass, okay? So shut the fuck up. To those that don't know, yeah, like I said, listen up. So I installed the alternator, belts, idler pulley, tensioners, all that shit. $500. Yeah. Installed all that shit. Crank no start. You know, same situation I had before. So that being said, obviously that's not the issue with this car. So I go to look up common problems. Apparently, the fuel pump in E46s with the M54 straight six like to go out. And that's usually when you have a crank no start. That's the problem usually with these motors. So what I do is I take the cap, which is over here, to the straighter valve after I take this beauty cover off, and I take a little pocket screwdriver and I push in here to relieve pressure so I can go ahead and start doing the test. Nothing. Not a hiss, not no fucking fluid squirt out, literally nothing. Bone dry. Okay? I put the tester on it. Pressure reads 0. Like, absolutely nothing is in this rail. There's no fuel in this rail, which is weird because when I go to prime the vehicle, you can hear the fuel pump priming. So that tells me that the relay is fine and the fuel pump is obviously working. However, if it was weak or going out, I would still see some type of pressure. Even if it was well under spec, I would get something. So that tells me that A, I have a kink in the line, or B, I have a clogged fuel filter, which is pretty likely considering that the previous owner was running 87 octane when this car takes at least 91 or higher. So what I wanted to, basically the whole point is, even if you're 100% sure like I was, if your car has common problems that pertain to, or common issues that pertain to the problem that you're currently having, test it first and save yourself the money, because I could have saved myself $500 and in reality it's like a $30 part. I mean, like I said, I'm a technician. I know better. I don't do this shit with customers' cars. But with me, I don't know. I just have like this ego thing where I'm just like, I just know. I know everything, right? But like I said, to those of you that have negative comments, yeah, I don't give a shit. So, yeah, go eat a dick. Thanks.